sambut menteri rang ba jylla Bah Prestone song ubah khmi ru katanat kampo yeng haba keren berkilat batai kubur ula Kyntu ke seng trai jylla ni ke bar jylla pakim dei banle ya kino ki kampalat put namar ka an kan amap setia yono inoru ke bedon kiti hagjeng penyap ki arngut kinong bela bar jylla ha ichimati East Hills district haba keren sikelat batai kubur Bah Prestone ulaong hoit ki pulet ki lara ya arngut ki briu bat ngannam yathu ulut baro naba kajing toket kadang ya cakmat mat ngin yai ap sipor tat hadu ba kana poi saka bakun haga ba ngin sala bintu ei ke bajia u Bah Prestone ulong ka kubor ka long ka basai la ka dei yek seng nabar ka jylla ni na po ka jylla ba kajing kerpat jong u sabaro ka long watle yekino ki kampalat put ngabha ba 6 jam palat yau put ai ba ka an kan yeng bat ka an kan amap yono inoru ibadon kti.
Yes, we have picked up 2 people from there, and I will not give you all the details since the investigation is on. So let us be little more patient till we reach out to the population. Then only we'll be able to tell exactly what is happening. Well, the message is very clear. Be it our local NGOs or be it the non-tribal NGOs, so-called. My request and my appeal to all of them is, please don't cross the line. You can't cross the line. Let the law prevail as it is, and the law will not spare to anybody. So I would like to appeal and request all of them to refrain from such kind of incident, which is very, very unfortunate to to everybody. So I would like to request all of them that see the law is above everybody, and from the government side, we'll make sure that let the law takes its own course. The challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there. We are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this: that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I don't know, I may call it the fake statement made that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.